Hey everyone! If HellIsUs is not launching, keeps crashing, or just won't start on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven fixes, step by step, so you can get back into the game. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate HellIsUs. Right-click on it and select Properties. On the left side, click Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and repair them automatically. Once it's finished, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Right-click HellIsUs in your Steam library and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse Local Files. Find HellIsUs.exe, right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now relaunch the game. This fix alone solves the issue for many players. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Once it's done, restart your PC and try again. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If there's a new driver available, install it. This makes sure your GPU is running the latest optimized drivers for HellIsUs. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download both VC Redist x86 and VC Redist x64. Go to your Downloads folder. First, double-click VC Redist x64. Press Yes, accept the terms, wait for it to install, and then click Close. Don't restart yet. Next, double-click VC Redist x86. Press Yes, accept the terms, and let it install. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch HellIsUs again. It should now run without crashing, and that's it. By following these solutions, you should be able to fix HellIsUs not launching or crashing on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy playing HellIsUs.